Welcome back to the channel. My name is Matt Bogosian, and in today's video, I'm gonna take you guys for a tour through my latest listing, 4013 Tomich Drive in Franklin, Tennessee. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhome located in the Echelon community here in Franklin. Now, let me just tell you a little bit about Echelon. And the first thing I want to talk about is the location. It is awesome. First of all, there's a coffee shop called Red Bicycle right outside of the entrance, which I think is amazing. There are 2 ways you can go to get to I65. You can head north on Carruthers or south. It's close to the Nissan headquarters, In-N-Out's headquarters. Williamson Medical Center is right up the street. Cool Springs with all the shopping and dining and restaurants is up the street. So it is a really great location. The neighborhood itself has a pool. It has a beautiful fire pit right next to that pool. And then the one thing I really love about it are these streets. Look at this. Super quiet. You've got trees lining the streets between the sidewalks and the road. Really peaceful. If you're somebody that likes walking and just kind of enjoying a nice peaceful neighborhood, I feel like this is it. So let's go in so I can show you what this place is like. This is from the porch right here. So if you're sitting here having a coffee, this is really cool. I realize townhomes aren't for everyone, but there are a lot of benefits to living in a place like this. The first being, you don't have to worry about the yard because somebody takes care of it for you. So here's the foyer, nice wood floors right here. Check out that beautiful light. Really tall ceilings. So as you walk, and then right here on the right, you've got the primary bedroom. Really, it's a good sized bedroom. It's not like you're having to squeeze into a tiny room. It's got a tray ceiling, ceiling fan, plantation shutters, so you can shut these, you don't have to see your neighbors. I think it's kind of a nice view though, look. And then you've got the primary bedroom bathroom right here, tile floor, nice, just kind of neutral finish. Dual vanity, plenty of drawers in the middle and cabinets. And look at the mirrors and the lights. I thought that was like strange at first and it's grown on me. I really like it. It's nice. And it feels nice and well lit here. That's the water closet right there. Then you've got the shower. Check this out. There's a nice bench. I don't have the light on in there because it has a fan as well. I mean, I know it's just basic, but it's nice. There's plenty of room in there. And then as you step into the closet, you can see they've got built-in drawers and shelves. And each side is identical. So this could be one person's side right here. They could split those. And then you've got another person's side right here. Just a nice layout. So that's the primary bedroom and primary bathroom. Let's keep on moving. So as you go down the hall, you've got a half bathroom right here. Really nice mirror. I love this like gold finish, it's cool. And then just nothing back here. Toilet. That right there is just a coat closet, really good size. I'll just show that to y'all. I mean, that's one thing, you wanna make sure you have enough space when you move into a townhome like this. It's just shy of 2,300 square feet. I don't think I mentioned that. So before we go into the main living area, you turn right here and check this out. It's a dry bar. I think that's what they call it. You've got a wine fridge right there. You've got some Chattanooga whiskey. I love the cabinets there too, so you can put your nice glasses. And if you're not a drinker, don't worry about it. You can make this like a coffee bar or something fun. Put some, you know, whatever, non-alcoholic drinks or whatever you want here. Okay, so the main living area. This is probably the star of the show in my opinion. You step in, you've got like a dining area right here, kitchen way over there, and then you've got the living room area right here. I think this is a good setup, and I'll tell you why. So let me come over here, show you guys the kitchen. I just think it's important when you have this main space here that multiple people can be in here and not be on top of each other, but still be able to like communicate and talk and just enjoy each other's company. So if you have one person or 2 people here cooking, and then you might have somebody sitting right here at the bar, or maybe over at the table eating, you've got your kids or something like that. And then you can have your TV if you want over there, you can have it over there, and just somebody hanging out right there. So it's just as good as a house, guys. Look at the light too in that tray ceiling. Just plenty of space, and you're not really giving up much, in my opinion. Look at the tile detail too around that fireplace. I love that it's not just like basic, it's that chevron pattern. This is a really nice fireplace, actually, now that I look at it closer. Wow. Give you a little view from over here. Cinematic pan. Yeah. And then you've got your refrigerator right here, of course. And then as you move this way, this is the laundry room. And in the laundry room, you've got your, of course, washer and dryer. Nice light right there, and then some cabinets above. And then this is gonna be your pantry. So it's a really good sized pantry, isn't it? I mean, you can fit a lot. Out here is gonna be a 2-car garage, and there's like a back alleyway back here. And I just wanna point out the garage is painted. It's got 2 big fluorescent lights instead of light bulbs. And then also the floor has been epoxy coated. Yeah, it's not brand new, but it still looks really good, and you won't have to do that. There's your water heater. So it's a nice setup down here. Oh, check out, there's also a gas range, which I think a lot of people want. And then 1 large single stainless steel sink. Granite countertops. And there is also this wonderful back patio right here that is very private, that you can set up a table or whatever you want out here. We've got our Traeger smoker right here, and then of course just a couple chairs. But you have plenty of room to put a big table and set up out here. And there is an outlet right here. So if you want to try to mount a TV or do something like that, you can do that as well. So let's make our way upstairs. Party har har har. So you come up and you are immediately greeted by this beautiful loft lounge. It's really good amount of space too. Let me come over to this corner. So my client had already moved out and left just a little bit of furniture. So we did the best we could to make it so you guys could see what you could do up here. But I think there's a better way to set this up. It just depends, you know, you need to buy the right furniture for it. But still, you get the point. TV, couches, hanging out. I think you could put a desk over here. In fact, they might have had that right there. You could put a desk right there and make this a little work area. There's a nice closet, more plantation shutters. So there's a lot of options. Now, the cool thing about this upstairs is there are 2 bedrooms and they each have their own bathrooms. So here is bedroom number 1. Not huge, but it is not tiny either. I'm telling you, I've seen bedrooms that were a lot smaller than this. And then it's got a walk-in closet. We've still got some stuff in here, but that's pretty cool. Legend, I love stuff like that. All right. It has its own bathroom, so you got your vanity right there, a nice mirror. Shower with the tile floors. I mean, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Look at that cow. Isn't that some kind of, what is that cow called? Somebody tell me. Oh, look at, I wanted to show you guys this light over the entryway. Isn't that nice? I personally think it's nice, but that could be me. So this bedroom is actually larger, I think. Yeah, it is. It's definitely longer. Really nice bedroom though. And it has the plantation shutters. Maybe I should shut those to help balance the light. Like I said, they moved out, so they took all their stuff with them. But you could have your plenty of room for a dresser, TV, pictures all over. You guys get the picture. And then it has its own bathroom as well. Nice tile. Oh, they did really cool mirrors throughout this house. Somebody had a good taste in mirrors. You got shower with the tile right there, and then you've got this as well. So one thing I wanted to mention, I was talking about going for walks and stuff like that earlier. So not only do you have the sidewalks that you can go walk on, if you pop out onto Carruthers, there are always people out there running and walking. There's basically like this really wide walking path going all the way up Carruthers that you can access. And then you'll have that new park, which is already getting built right now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour. This is 4013 Tomich Drive in Franklin, Tennessee. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom townhome, just under 2,300 square feet, listed at $705,000. This is a beautiful place, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you're interested in this, or you want to talk to me about another place in Franklin, I will leave a link in the description below that you can use to access my calendar and book a day and time that works for you to jump on a call. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.